How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's about time I switch it up. I want to dive into royalty and really show you. I've been testing the waters. I've been testing the waters. Been getting a lot of sign-ups from the actual gym. Let me see if I can pull up. Not sure if it'll pull my email up. Yeah, here we go. I haven't used this software in a long time. I haven't used this software in a long time. We're gonna do this real time. Keep in mind, this is not my. I gotta organize this. This is not my. This is not my main. Um, my business email. It's a lot of old stuff in here, but I had my gym linked to this email like 2 years ago for some reason. But I just want to show you guys, new order. This is all from Royalty and the leads. I don't really want to click because it shows their email and everything. Look, lead, and this is actually from using Royalty's landing page only. This is not the leads that go to my business cards or to my other websites using my online sales pro. This is just strictly landing page, me testing landing pages and getting leads from all over the world. See, another new order. These are strictly new orders from actually using the landing pages. They keep going. New lead alert. So I've been testing this. I've been in Royalty for a while, but there's been a lot of updates going on. So I kind of been waiting for the updates to go through and the bugs to get worked out before I really bring harder Royalty. As you see my stats, these 3 gyms are gyms I got grandfathered in from when they switched over to the new virtual gym. So those are about I think 1,000. It's guaranteed 1,000 impressions. They don't even sell this one anymore. They're guaranteed 1,000 impressions, but they do go over. And this is actually me test driving the first level of the new virtual gym, which is 5,000 impressions, views, so to say, and it works. So now we're gonna dive deeply into Royalty. I'm gonna show you some landing pages I've been testing out, and guys, this is even powerful for those that are in marketing. Know what I'm about to say. And for those, I'm gonna break it that are not are looking this as newcomers. I'm gonna break it down even more. Usually you have to grab all these different resources, with landing pages, and a landing page, with Royalty can work to your advantage. So for example, say you don't want to buy a what is it called? Why can't I think of the name? Capture page. Say you don't want to buy a capture page system, you can come in here and add. Let me show you some, for example, more than I could tell you. Let's go to my Royalty. I don't know if I got it on this one. You can customize these however you want them. Okay, so say you want to capture page system, you want to collect someone's email, you can simply come down here. Hopefully you guys can see this, and add a customer form. Where it has a name, it has a header, subheader, a capture page type of design. Name, email, you can even redirect them like a capture page system. And you can just have that with whatever, your header is, whatever you want it to say. Learn how to make $5,000 monthly from the comfort of your home, and leave that on your landing page. You can also with ClickFunnels, you'll have it's a whole funnel. So you'll have a capture page, and you have a landing page, which kind of does more selling and telling. It can have anything, a lot of information, a little information, however you want to funnel it. And you can come here and do what I did. Add a picture, you enjoying life or whatever you want, a video, either welcoming or explaining what you do, and then you can add some pictures. This is a Royaltie Gem landing page, and you can add some pictures that actually shows the setup. And then when they I have a little get started button right here. Let's see it in preview mode. I have a little get started button here. I need more info, and it'll take you to my other funnel. I might actually change this up because I think this is actually, I don't like this. I want to rearrange this so it's a smoother conversion. But yeah, so when you use Royaltie Gem's landing pages, not only does it show you your actual leads, like you've seen, it shows you even what landing page they came through. Royaltie also, look, you can even customize it down to whatever it is: food, entertainment, health, and wellness. This I'm telling you, what Royaltie has did, like no BS, and what Royaltie has did with these landing pages and what I'm gonna show you has had me real very happy. But anyways, Royaltie actually sends leads through your funnel when you use their landing pages. I don't know the big how many or whatever, but I know they do. But to take it to a step further, this is all within Royaltie, which you have to think this is all. This is not me getting another. Usually you have to buy another system to do landing pages, capture pages, another system to do real deal analytics. Now check this out. This is what really changed the game. Real deal analytics. It shows you the date, it shows you where they came from, and it shows you the location. So if you know about my previous videos, I say with Royaltie, you can post these landing pages, capture pages anywhere in the world. So before I was like, how do I know it's really working? How do I know if the leads are coming from this? So now I can come back and say I have a business card or capture page in a certain state. Now I can come and see, well, look, and I can, and this was even crazier if you post these landing pages on other social media. Now check this out. It shows me, hey, this came from my gym, and I do have a gym in Ohio. So that's a lot of all of this. It shows you what device they're using, and soon it will show you what sex they are, and more analytics. It shows you what landing page they came through, if they were converted or not. Look at this. And these are all leads from the gym. Some of them are from me posting, for example, on Facebook, or posting my link on YouTube. And those are usually the direct ones, like when you post them specific places. But as you see, like things like this, it's the gym. I think that's like Facebook mobile, facebook.com, where they're visiting. And the location will really confirm exactly, where these are coming from. I know these are coming from most of these are coming from my gym, just because of specific location. It gets, you can target specific areas. So these are specific cities, within Ohio. I got some New Yorks, Philadelphia's, and these are Texas. These are some actual cities I actually targeted. So I want to bring you all this information. This one even shows that this one came from my Aweber when I emailed my list one time to try it out. This actually came from my list. Miami. Look at these target. You can target anywhere you want specifically. I got one that clicked on, found me from information. And for those that don't know what Royaltie do, it's an advertisement agency with technology that allows you to advertise to the masses, whether it's by city, state, area, and radius. You can even target a certain amount of the radius if you want to target just specific cities. So as you see, these leads go all the way back a lot from this month. Me really diving in this month and really using the gym actual product versus just promoting it on YouTube. So this is me confirming it actually works. I showed you a few orders, and the great thing about Royaltie right now is actually, if you want to get started, you want to test the waters. you can click the link below and actually do a trial. You know, a 2-day trial. It was gonna be no, I think it's a 3-day trial. It's gonna be 2, but you know sometimes you have to get you got to get your ad approved. Sometimes it takes a little time, so they gave you that little that curve where you can get everything approved and going. And I recommend you create a landing page so you can actually see where the clicks are coming from to confirm that the gym actually works, which is very simple. I think I'm already here. You'll add new. You can add a logo like you've seen, a hero image, which you know, a bigger, you know, banner type image. You can make it about you. Make sure you do this. It actually shows you in the trial. That actually takes you step by step. Make sure you pick one that's very, you know, targeted to what you do. You can change the colors, and then here you can add, you know, another headline, space, image gallery, you know, another larger image, where if you're a local business where you're actually stationed, videos, which is real cool. Like I said, a customer form and a buy now or go here button. And yeah, this is a video I want to make to really show you what's going on. This is very useful. Trainings included. It's really not much training, but we do show you. We do have training within Royaltie, and we also have one of the top groups in Royaltie that actually shows you, you know, how to promote this in other ways, even though it promotes for you. But yeah, guys, it's something simple you want to have, you know, in advertising. You know, those days you're not getting that much traffic. This way, you know, you're guaranteed to get some eyes. It might not be leads, or it might not be, you know, sign up, but you're guaranteed to get some eyes to your business. I prefer you to come, well, obviously you got to come at the basic level. So I say, you know, the 5,000 to 10,000 impressions. I kind of ate through 5,000 impressions very quick, but you can also add extra impressions for I think $7 more or so. You can add another 5,000 impressions. But this is a great tool. I'm glad I can break this down. Hopefully this video comes out good. I'm glad I can actually show you what I've been telling you in the other videos. Guys, I'm going to end this right here. Make sure you like this video. Stay around. It's going to be a lot of stuff coming. I hope you guys have a good day.